Question 2. Given the quadratic equation is this, A. Express the equation in general form. So this is the general form. So to get there, we just have to expand this. So x minus 4 square equals to 3. So when you want to square, you will get 3 different terms. The first term here is x square. The last term here is negative 4 square. And the middle term would be 2 times this times this. Right. So first term is x square. Last term would be 16, which is negative 4 square lah. And the middle term would be 2 times x, which is 2x, times negative 4. So negative 8x. This is the shortcut. And then 3 we can bring over this side, becomes minus 3. We simplify this. 16 minus 3 is 13. Done. This will be our general form. Okay, next B. State the sum of roots and product of roots. So sum of roots, the formula is negative b over a. And product of roots, the formula is c over a. So from here, our a is 1, because 1x square. Our b is negative 8. And our c will be 13. So if you want to find sum of roots, product of roots, negative b over a, which is just 8. Product of roots would be c over a, which is 13 over 1, 13. So this would be our sum of roots. And this will be our product of roots. Done. Right, let's look at C. Determine the type of roots of the equation. Type of roots. Okay. So let me change color. To get type of roots, you need to do b square minus 4ac. We need to find out the value of this. If it's less than 0, that means you'll get no real roots. If it's equal to 0, you will get same roots. And if it's more than 0, you will get 2 different roots. So we need to find negative 8 square minus 4ac. Can put this in the calculator. Negative 8 square minus 4ac. We get 12. So if you're getting 12, that means it is more than 0. So if it's more than 0, the roots are 2 real different roots. Okay, because if it's more than 0, the graph would look like this, where you get 2 different and real roots. That's it. Done.